Good morning, students. Arithmetic mean, short form AM. What is arithmetic mean? If three terms are in AP, then middle term is called arithmetic mean of remaining two terms. If three terms are in AP, then middle term is called arithmetic mean of remaining two terms. If A, B, C are in AP, then middle term B is called arithmetic mean of A and C. If three terms are in AP, then B means middle term. Middle term is called arithmetic mean of A and C. So here A, B, C are in AP series. Already we know it. If three terms are in AP, you taken as common difference is equal. Any case. So D is equal to T2 minus T1 or T3 minus T2. Common difference D is equal to second term minus first term or third term minus second term. Here second term B minus A, that is equal to C minus B. So transpose B terms one side. B plus B is equal to A plus C. So 2B is equal to A plus C and B is equal to A plus C by 2. If three terms are in AP, A, B, C are in AP, then B, arithmetic mean B is equal to A plus C by 2. Three terms are in AP, then middle term is called arithmetic mean of remaining two terms. Okay. If arithmetic mean of A and B is arithmetic mean of A and B is A plus B by 2. Arithmetic mean of A and B is arithmetic mean of A and B is A plus B by 2. Means therefore A plus B by 2 B are in AP. So A plus B by 2 is, that is arithmetic mean between A and B. See this one more example. Find arithmetic mean between 4 and 8. So how to find that one? A plus B by 2. 4 plus 8 by 2 means how much? 12 by 2. 12 by 2 means how much? 6. So therefore 4, 6, 8 are in AP. So that's why your middle term 6 is called arithmetic mean of remaining two terms 4 and 8. So 6 is arithmetic mean of 4 and 8. So how to find 6? 4 plus 8 by 2. So here arithmetic mean A, B, C are in AP, then B is equal to A plus C by 2. So two terms, arithmetic mean of A and B is A plus B by 2. Arithmetic mean of 4 and 8 is 4 plus 8 by 2. Means we get 6. So therefore 4, 6, 8 are in AP. Next one, insert n arithmetic means between A and B. Insert n arithmetic means between A and B. Okay, let n arithmetic means are A1, A2, A3, A4, so on here. Okay, so these arithmetic means are lies between A and B. Okay, which are to be insert of A and B. So therefore A, A1, A2, A3, so on AN, B are in AP. So here n arithmetic means are there. N arithmetic means are lies between A and B. If n arithmetic means are lies between A and B, then the series are in AP. This is AP series. Okay. In AP series, this is first term. This is which term? Second term. This is third term. This is fourth term. So this is which term? N plus 1 term. This is n plus 2 term. So here first term is equal to A. n plus 1 term is an. This is n plus 2 term. First term, second term, third term, fourth term. This is n plus 1 term. This is n plus 2. So n plus 2 term, tn plus 2, that is equal to b. What is the formula tn plus 2? Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. This is tn. So tn plus 2 is equal to a plus n plus 2 minus 1 into d is equal to b. So a plus a first term a only, a plus n plus 1 into d is equal to b. So n plus 1 into d is equal to b minus a. So d is equal to b minus a by n plus 1. Insert n arithmetic means between a and b, then common difference d is equal to b minus a by n plus 1. Insert n arithmetic means between a and b, then common difference d is equal to b minus a by n plus 1. This is formula. Insert n arithmetic means lies between a and b, then common difference d is equal to b minus a by n plus 1. See this one more example. Insert 5 arithmetic means between 2 and 40. So directly apply formula. A is equal to 2. Here a is equal to 2. Okay. B is equal to 14. Insert n arithmetic means between a and b. Insert 5 arithmetic means between a and 2 and 14. So here n is equal to 5. So common difference d is equal to b minus a by n plus 1. So 14 minus 2 by 5 plus 1. So 12 by 6. 12 by 6 means how much? D. So common difference d is equal to 2. So therefore 5 arithmetic means, see this, 5 arithmetic. First term is 2 is there. So common difference 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus next term, 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 5 arithmetic means. So therefore AP series first term is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. These 5 arithmetic means are lies between 2 and 40. Like this. Same problems you do another method. So here a first term a is equal to 2, and here 14 which a is equal to 2. Let 5 arithmetic means are a1, a2, a3, a4, a5. So therefore AP series 2, a1, a2, a3, a4, a5, 14. So here first term a is equal to 2. So this is which term? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh term. So T7 is equal to 14. What is the formula T7? A plus 6d. So a value is 2. 2 plus 6d is equal to 14. 6d is equal to 12. D is equal to 2. So therefore arithmetic means 2. A1. A1 means second term. 2 plus 2, 4. 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. This is AB. Next one, sum of n arithmetic means between a and b. N arithmetic means sum of n arithmetic means between a and b. Okay, let arithmetic means a1, a2, a3, A4 so on AN. So therefore AP series A comma A1 comma A2 comma A3 A4 AN and B. This is AP series. So these all terms are in AP. So now observe here, this is first term, this is second, this is third, fourth, fifth, this is n plus 1 term, this is n plus 2 term. Okay, n plus 2 term. So here sum of n arithmetic means we add like this: A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 plus so on AN. So sum of n arithmetic means is equal to A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus so on here. Sum of n arithmetic means A1 is, that is second term. Second term means A plus D. This is A2 means third term, A plus 2D. A3 means fourth term, A plus 3D. This is fourth term. This is n plus 1 term. N plus 1 term means A plus end. A plus end. Sorry, dots better. So on A plus end. So now grouping A terms, A plus A plus A plus A plus so on. How many times? A1 A2 A3 so on n times. N times is repeated. A repeated n times. Plus D plus 2D plus 3D plus 4D plus so on n. So A is repeated n times, so result is NA. So by taking common D, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus so on n. So NA plus D into first natural numbers, n into n plus 1 by 2. Sum of first n natural numbers. So NA plus, what is formula D? Insert n arithmetic means lies between A and B, then common difference D is equal to B minus A by n plus 1 of n into n plus 1 by 2. So n plus 1 cancel. So here n is there, by taking common n. Okay, here left term A plus B minus A by 2. So n of 2A plus B minus A by 2. So clearly n by 2 of A plus B. Sum of n arithmetic means, sum of n arithmetic means n by 2 of A plus B. N arithmetic means lies between A and B. N by 2 of A plus B.